motherfuckers that told me what to do, so I did my own thing. Sometimes shit got thick, but I made it through. Now I'm stacking chips every time the phone rang. I'm in the world of liars and connivers, caught between fires, dope dealing suppliers. But I must maintain, think on a level much higher. This shit ain't worth a 25 to lifer. People always asking me how I made it in this trade. Paparazzi got my biz front page, but all I gotta say is it's a good living. Besides cars and women, this shit gets the bills paid.
People of the world, what we living for?
That money, fast money, yeah.
People of the world, what we dying for?
That money, fast money, yeah.
Everybody's going crazy for
That money, fast money, yeah.
Fucking with your head, I can get some of your
Money, cash money.
How many niggas can say they got their own, got their shit together, got a nice stash to do whatever? Or you're sitting at home, hating on the next man that's making cheddar, trying to get his shit together. I dreamed of fitting licks when I first got in the mix, way back when DJs was heavy in the crates for breaks. And ain't a damn thing changed, but me moving out the firing range to a plushed out estate, Small technicalities, y'all heard for years. Niggas with their problems always out to battle me, but I gets my swerve on. Don't give a fuck, it's just a nigga talking shit about his bullshit salary.
People of the world, what we living for?
Fat money, fast money, yeah.
People of the world, what we dying for?
Fat money, fast money, yeah.
Everybody's going crazy for
Fat money, fast money, yeah.
Fucking with your head, I can get some of your
Money, cash money.
Since talk is extra, it's cut short like Webster. Show me the money or investors. I'm street smart, fuck a lecture. Messing with mine, I get you put on the stretcher.